Hello friends, just coming on to share with you my hubby's illustrations for those of you who have a dream of maybe creating a book or some project and you are looking for an illustrator. Just gonna go over some of my favorite illustrations in this book. The author is Gabrielle Pratt. Let's see if I can focus. And the illustrated by Willie Cunningham, my hubby. Yay! So let's see. I'm just gonna flip through. Dedicated to children with a family member who is suffering with cancer. So this author wanted to do this book as a dedication. All right, love it, love it. Let's see. Not trying to make this video too long. Yeah, love it. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see. Yeah, so more in that, but I'll just leave that right there. So check him out. You can message me. Okay, let's see. And then also I made this up when I was doing a workshop. I was a presenter and I was doing a workshop on reading comprehension strategies, and this is a product I made up. And of course I had the hubby draw this clip art. So those who want clip art, check him out. Message me, guys. Message me. Bye.